This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Chrome with the profile you intend to lock down. First, open the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. This takes you to Browser Controls. Once in Settings, go straight to Privacy and Security or Extensions, depending on your Chrome version, to locate Site Controls. If Chrome lacks built-in page blocking for your needs, install a reputable site blocking extension now. This ensures you can add specific URLs. Make sure the extension has permission to operate on all sites. Once the extension or site settings is open, navigate to the Blocking or Permissions panel. You'll add the exact page URL or use a wildcard pattern such as asterisk. Example: com to block all subdomains. This is important when you want to stop a category of pages. After adding entries, set any available options like time schedules, user-level exceptions, or redirects. Once done, make sure to save or apply changes. Extensions often require you to hit save, whereas built-in controls apply instantly. Now test the pages by opening the blocked URLs in a new tab. Also try incognito if your extension supports it. If the page still loads, make sure the extension has permission to read and change site data and that you configured the correct profile. Sync can replicate different settings. If problems continue, disable other extensions that might conflict, restart Chrome, and reapply your rules. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable site caching or use a private window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.